6 things I do and don't like about the BMW 530e. But first...
Vehicle key is missing. Right. Not then, let's move. Whew. That's more like it. Right. Sport. Extra boost, I'll have a bit of that. Come on, I've got a review to do. No time.
Free of other road users, my review was underway. Momentarily.
Well, given this is a BMW, I'm delighted to say that the driving experience is this car's greatest asset.
And then...
Oh, hello?
Hi Max, it's Rob calling from Enterprise.
Hi Rob, how you doing? You all right?
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, good.
So yes, thank you. It's been really good.
Yeah, no, they are nice for 5 Series, aren't they?
Not bad.
Ideal. Perfect. Thanks for that, Max.
Come on, man, I've got a review to make. Honestly.
The 2-litre hybrid powertrain delivers just less than 300 brake horsepower, which is enough to keep this long and rather heavy chassis feeling athletic. There's a nicely struck balance of comfort and stiffness with almost 50-50 weight distribution, which is tasty.
Likewise, the steering is beautifully sharp. It really digs in and gives you confidence one could only dream of from a long-bodied Volvo or Volkswagen.
And not long later, I got to test the Beamer's brakes and horn, which wasn't ideal.
Come on, man. What are you doing, dear? Yeah, in case you're wondering, a man nearly died, and it wasn't me. That's not bad. As with any 5 Series, the 530e is just well thought out.
The rear window, for example.
That is terrific.
Which splits open separately from the main boot, or the fact BMW stuck with knobs and switches on the dash rather than annoying chintzy touch controls. Or the rear cup holders. The 530e feels modern, but with a touch of yesteryear class.
It's hard to put into words, really. The 530e just feels a bit more alive than most other middle-of-the-road estate cars. Got a little bit of that, a little bit of something.
It's like the 530e took a lesson in fun from an M-touring relative.
Now, don't get me wrong, this is a grown-up car for grown-up people. But when the mood takes you, it will assist you in being an absolute child. And for that, I love it. Come on, Beamer. Throwing you in here. It just follows it, look. I'm going around a roundabout in something as heavy as the Notre Dame. I'm staggered at that. Good car.
But what about problems?
Well, the dashboard and the infotainment system are just overcomplicated and laborious to use.
There's just too much going on. The digital dash is cluttered with gauges, numbers, and a G meter.
I find it hard to believe that anyone much cares about how many Gs they're pulling on the way to the shops or the barbers, particularly in an estate car.
But to find out, I conducted some research, reaching less than 1 G.
Few G there, don't know how many, but it's drawing a lovely line of... Holy Next, the EV curse. Battery replacements.
This may be a plug-in hybrid and not a nasty pure EV, but the sodding battery still needs replacing after just a handful of years. BMW provide a warranty of either 8 years or 80,000 miles, but there are reports this isn't particularly realistic.
That said, BMW do say they can recycle the batteries, and they're pushing on with their innovative battery recycling work. And good on them. It needs doing. The other thing, of course, is being a hybrid, you get a lot of power, but you don't pay much road tax, so could make a good company car. Mention that to your employer.
It was at this point I realised I was struggling to find a third drawback.
I mean, okay, the fuel tank's a bit small, the cabin's quite tight, the car's quite expensive, but these are just niggles.
And then...
Go away. Why do people keep ringing me up?
Hi, Mr. Berry, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Yeah, not too bad.
so sorry for the late in the day. Just wanted to let you
No
know
problem.
that. Enjoy the rest of your evening.
Thank you, and you. Cheers, Miles, thanks. What does a man have to do a quick review? Poetry, apparently.
It was time to sum up before someone else rang.
The fact is, the 530e is a damn good car. It's practical, it's classy, but will happily serve up sumptuous fun when you want some. Got a bit of break. Almost too much fun. I like this, you know. Very comfortable. Well, we'd better get you back to Enterprise. And thank you for watching. Charge immediately, my arse.